Grok is no longer free and people are panicking. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can actually do more than Grok? And most people don't even know about it yet? Today, I'll show you 5 shocking things Hailuo AI can do that Grok simply can't. If you've been using Grok AI, you already know how powerful it is. But recently, with the free version gone, many people are searching for a better alternative. That's where Hailuo AI comes in. And trust me, what it can do will surprise you. 5 powerful features of Hailuo AI. Number 1, Hailuo AI can turn simple text into full videos. Just type what you want, like a businessman working on a laptop in Lagos, and it creates a video for you. Grok, it can't do that. This is powerful for YouTube content, TikTok videos, ads, and storytelling. This alone can make you money online. Number 2, image to video conversion. Got a picture? Hailuo AI can animate it into a video. For example, turn your thumbnail into a moving video, create cinematic scenes from static images. Grok doesn't offer this level of visual creativity. Wait till you hear the last one. That will blow your mind. Number 3, multimodal creativity. Hailuo AI combines everything: text, images, videos. You can start with text, generate image, turn it into video, all in one platform. Grok is mostly text-based. Hailuo AI is a full creative studio. Number 4, content creation for monetization. With Hailuo AI, you can do the following: create YouTube videos without showing your face, generate ads for products, produce viral content fast. This means more content, faster growth, more money. Grok is helpful, but Hailuo is built for creators. Number 5, beginner-friendly and easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert. Hailuo AI is simple, clean, and easy to navigate, even if you're using just your phone. This is perfect for beginners in Nigeria and beyond who want to start making money online quickly. And here's the crazy part. Some of these features are still evolving, meaning early users have a big advantage right now. So if Grok is no longer free, don't panic. You now have a powerful alternative. If you want to know step-by-step how to use Hailuo AI to make money online, I have already taught that in my first video about Hailuo AI. Go watch it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop Hailuo in the comments. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.